This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Caskey. 4-bedroom ranch in bird chirping lake shores. Lots of bright natural light in every room. Sunny kitchen with granite and custom backsplash, new cabinets and all stainless steel appliances. 2018 roof, HVAC, kitchen, hardwood refinished, water heater, exterior doors and privacy fence with 2 gates. Remodeled kitchen and partially remodeled bathrooms. Large backyard entertaining friends and family. Seconds to Little Creek Amphibious base, shopping, breweries, Chics beach and shore drive dining. Airport is minutes away for travel. September 13, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Caskey at 757-422-2200.